This is the one I've been waiting for, and I hope you can see it. It's a Sorlandet. It's very big. It's not the biggest, but the biggest ones were down on Gamlebyen, and we didn't feel like walking down there. But you could see the mast, 3 masts. It is a Norwegian competitor, and it's just amazing. It's a beautiful ship, and it's so huge. Oh my gosh. I will lose it behind the trees, but then I will pick it up as it gets by. Can't see much, you can only see the... Okay, the Sørlandet made itself known. It's right behind some condos right now. Oh! These ships are so amazing. Okay, sorry about the tree, but there's nothing I can do about it. And there's the little tug, the Rilo, escorting Sorlandet out of the river. You can see this is not a real wide river. For family in Wisconsin, St. Croix is wider than this. This is such a beautiful ship. The Hercules is involved here too. There's 2 tugs on the Loma River. Oh, it's windy. Got to get through that bridge that is open. I'm at the corner, you can see the corner of the house. As long as I don't drop my phone.